Hello, today I'm going to show you how to send money from Ghana to Nigeria using MTN for free. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open your phone dialer and dial *170#, then press send. Now choose option 1, that's transfer money. Next, choose option 7, cross-border payments. After that, choose option 1 again, transfer to wallet. Now pick option 1 once more, this time for Nigeria. Then enter the receiver's phone number starting with 234, no plus sign. Enter it again to confirm. Now, type in how much money you want to send in Ghana cedis. My wallet doesn't have enough money now, so I'm seeing an error. If your wallet has enough money, MTN will ask for your 4-digit PIN to confirm.